Hello, Caroline from Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a standing ab workout. So you don't have to have dumbbells, but I chose to have some. So we're going to start with the dumbbell side bend. We're going to do 5 per side. So you really should be feeling it in your side, your obliques. Good. Now we're just going to hold one weight in front, and we're going to twist. We're doing 5 on each side. So last one here. Good. Next, we're going to hold one weight. We're going to go up and down, up and down. Really tighten your core when you do this. Good. 7 on each side. Make sure you're breathing. Good. Just make sure when you're doing all these exercises, you're focusing on your core, because if you're not using your core, it defeats the whole purpose of the exercise. The next, one dumbbell, and we're going to do chops. We'll do 7 each side. Good. Other way. Really engaging your core here. Good. All right. Next, we're just going to hold one actually. We're going to do standing marches. Again, engaging that core. We're going to do 5 per leg. Good. And lastly, we're going to do a standing side crunch. So we're going to go up. Good. We're going to do 5 on this side. Good. Utilizing your obliques here. Good. So we went through 7 exercises and, well, actually, I think 6 exercises, and this can be done 2 to 3 times through to get a full routine. Again, if you're just starting, first time doing abs in a while, you can do 1 set, but just do what feels good for you. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good one.